When I was at Dollar Tree, I came across this pumpkin candle. The price of the pumpkin candle was $5. I figured that I could recreate my version of the Dollar Tree pumpkin candle, and it wouldn't cost $5 to make. You're going to need a pool noodle that you can cut into 2 small parts. You're also going to need a sundae cup that you can get from Dollar Tree. All of these items are going to be painted black. Now grab one of the small pool noodles and add hot glue to the bottom. You're going to attach the pool noodle to the sundae cup. Make sure you put pressure so both the pool noodle and the sundae cup attach to one another. You are going to add hot glue to the top part of the pool noodle and attach a pumpkin. Make sure you add pressure. Now grab the other small pool noodle and add hot glue to the bottom and attach it to the top of the pumpkin. You're going to be adding hot glue to the bottom of the sundae cup and attaching it to the top of the pool noodle. You can now do one of 2 things. You can add a tea candle or string lights into the sundae cup so it is lit up. Found this spider web sparkle mesh from last year that came from Dollar Tree. I will be using the mesh to wrap up the pool noodles to give the candle a more Halloween vibe. For the mesh to stay in place, you can use a floral pan to secure the mesh. You are going to repeat what you did the first time with the 2 small pool noodles. Paint both of them black, along with both of the sundae cups. This time, instead of using a pumpkin, we will be using 4 small sculpts. Use a glue gun and add glue to the bottom of the cup, and then add one of the small pool noodles to the cup. Press gently until both are attached. You are going to use a spider mesh and place it around the pool noodle. Again, use a floral pan to secure the mesh onto the pool noodle. Now you are going to glue one at a time your skulls onto the top part of the pool noodle. Also, add the spider mesh to the pool noodle. You will then add glue to the bottom of the pool noodle and place on top of the skulls. When the skulls and the pool noodles are attached together, you can now add glue to your other cup and add it to the pool noodle. Hold in place to make sure it's secure. When both candles are complete, this is how they should turn out. So instead of paying $5 for each candle, I paid $0 because I already had everything needed to create these candles.